Hi, in this video I'm just going to show you another add-on that's very useful called Magic Mail Merge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Get Add-ons. I'm then going to search the add-on store for Magic Mail Merge. First type in Magic. Hopefully it will come up. There it is there. So I'm going to install Magic Mail Merge. Right, the add-on's installed, so I'm going to close that off. I'm going to go to Magic Mail Merge and I'm going to launch it. And what the launch is going to do is it's actually going to put a couple of worksheets automatically into the Google Sheet I'm using. So what is entered is an email template, and this is where you're going to create your emails that you want to send, and it's also put in an example class, so you've got some data that you can play around with. So I'm actually just going to pop my email addresses in here so that you can see it working. And this is obviously just a fake class, got some fake data across there like that. And in my email template, in A1 is the main bit of the email. So this is what the system will use when it's checking the emails. Now what I need to do is I need to go back up to the add-ons menu. I need to load in the menu on the right-hand side, which allows me to control it. And what happens is every single email listed down here, every email template becomes an option choice from here. So you can add in as many templates as you want going down. So for example, if I just put in, I don't know, year 10 template, if I was to press refresh lists, now I have a year 10 template as well available. So there's that automatically added if I want to add some more templates. Now the way the templates work, if I just scroll up to the top, this is one that's already been made. Essentially, you can write any email you like in here, and if you want extra line spaces, for example, if I put hello, and I want to add, I need to hold Control and press Enter, because if you just press Enter, it'll exit the cell, but if you are editing a cell and hold Control when you press Enter, you get the line space in. Now, the way you put in data from your other Google Sheets is using this following syntax. You need a $, curly brace, and a speech marks, followed by, to close it, the speech marks and the curly brace. And what is in the middle is the heading from the worksheet you're going to use. So if I just exit that and show you, on example class, there's obviously full name, test 1, test 2, etc. going across the top. So it'll always take the top row. So in this, what it's going to do is instead of full name, it's going to put a pupil's name, their test results, and whether they completed their homework. In order to make it happen, this drop-down menu here simply just changes whatever is listed in A1. So actually, it doesn't really do very much because the system will always take what is in A1, but it's useful to quickly change to a template you've already made. You can just switch it there and it will change what's in A1. What you should then do is choose the class, and the classes are created by any worksheets you have along the bottom. So the more worksheets you have, so if we had a couple more, refresh the lists, all of those worksheets will be listed except for obviously the two sheets that except for the main email template one. Okay, so then what we need to do is we need to choose example class, that's the one I'm going to use. Then I'm going to press send a test email. What that will then ask me to do is who do you want to send the test email to, and you can put in any email address you like. And essentially what it does, it takes the first row of data and sends an email to the test email address with that first row of data. So if I open that up, it successfully sent the email. Okay, so I'll go to the email, and I've got the test email here. It's used the first line of data and replaced all the field names with the required fields. And actually, if I go back to Magic Mail Merge, now I've checked it, it's fine and working, I can actually press send emails. Well then, if I go to example class, you can see it happening. So it's added a heading, it's checking if it sent them. I'm finding there's nothing in this column, it will send them to all. So it's sent it to 4. So I go back to my inbox, and if I just refresh it, will come through. There we go. So I've got the 4 emails through. You can see each one's going to be different as I click through, and it's obviously replaced the headings with the correct details. Okay. So that's Magic Mail Merge. Really useful if you want to share data of your class, share grades, whatever it is. You can use it to make any kind of emails you want, and there are no limits. The only limits are the ones built into Google. So you can send hundreds of emails a day if you need to, which is really useful as a teacher if you just want to get it all done in one go. So yeah, thank you very much.